What's up, members? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to answer that question: is Netflix a buy? It's pulled back from $134 all the way down to $94. There's been three major changes that I want you to be aware about, and let's break down whether we should be starting to buy shares or not. First, how did we get to 134? Netflix was firing on all cylinders. Their ad tier was doubling revenue, dominating live sports such as WWE and NFL. The subscriber growth was smashing expectations. It looked like nobody could touch them, so why the crash? Warner Bros. Deal, Netflix announced they want to buy HBO and Warner Bros. For nearly $83 billion. Investors hate the debt. It changes Netflix from a lean tech company into a debt-heavy traditional media giant. Second, the earnings shock. A surprise $600 million tax bill in Brazil caused an earnings miss that caused Wall Street off guard. The bidding war, Paramount Skydance entered the chat with a higher bid for WBD, making investors worry that Netflix will have to overpay just to win. So let's take a look at Netflix on its meteoric rise up to $134 per share. Was once trading 2022 at $16 per share, as high as $134 and then pulled back now to $94 per share. So the question is, should you buy this dip? It has broken its trend line. It is starting to go lower. Right now, looking at this chart, it doesn't look like a buying opportunity. Just because it's selling off 30% doesn't mean you should be buying the knife right here at $94. What I'm doing, I'm gonna give it some time. Let's see if we break this $92 level. If it does, let's see how it reacts when it reaches the next leg of support, which is around $85 per share. Something to definitely be looking into right here. If you want access to videos like this early, make sure you click that join button, become a member, and gain access to the members only videos. And if you want to directly chat in real time, click on the link here, join the WAP.